I do.
That's it. There we go. Perfect. There. Perfect. Perfect. Notice I'm grabbing them right here where the joint begins. There you go. Just breathe. There it is. Gotcha. Uh-huh. Now we got that big piggy here. Just let it go. Perfect. Good. Okay. There. See? Excellent. Now, some people don't like this, but I tell you what, it sure is good for you. He was flat-footed, so what we need to do is help her get these arches back. And then you notice we adjust each one of the phalanges or the toes. And you can probably hear those all the way over there on the camera. There you go. That's it. Oh, boy. Same here, let it go.
このままそれで
So contact the talus, because remember, it's gone in this direction. We're going to contact it, back it up, distract out, and turn the foot. And so the thrust is going to be straight down, just like that. So straight, superior to inferior.